Hi, this is Litre Tyre Parts Plus. Today we have a 2017 Ford Ranger, stock number 6247. This ran from the 6th 2015 to the 4th 2022. It has a P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 17-inch fracked alloy maggot tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch fracked alloy maggot tyre, right rear 17-inch fracked alloy maggot tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door no dents, right front guard, right front 17-inch fracked alloy maggot tyre, right front door mirror, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,